Hi, how you doing? My name's Ron. I came to Dr. Weiner 2 weeks ago. I just needed a little extra help. Every time I tried to lose some weight, I pretty much couldn't keep it off and wouldn't stay with it. Came to Dr. Weiner, laid out a great program for me, and within 2 weeks I lost 15 pounds. So I'm really looking forward to reaching my goal of 40 to 50 pounds total, and I feel great. In 2 weeks it's a 180 turnaround. So I highly recommend Dr. Weiner and his program, and I'll see you when I lose the remaining weight.
Hi, my name is Lorraine. I have had neuropathy for the past 7 years. I heard about Dr. Weiner. I came to him. He told me I had severe neuropathy. I started treatments, and I believe I've had 12 or 13 treatments, and I am like a different person. Swelling has gone down. My balance has gotten better. Pain is almost gone. I've been on heavy medication. I am now reducing all the dosages, and I feel great.
I started coming here to Dr. Lee a few months ago because I had very, very bad sciatica pain down my right side. I had already tried shots and physical therapy, and I wasn't getting any relief. But I came here and the laser absolutely did it for me. It was like a magic wand, and it was so soothing to feel on my back, and it really worked. It absolutely worked for me, and I would recommend it. Anyone should give it a shot, and it's painless.
No? Okay. Oh, all right. My name is Vanessa. I started this program with Dr. Lee approximately 3 months ago. It really works great for me. I had a scheduled appointment to go to the hospital to get a hip replacement. I came in to see Dr. Lee, and he said, "Oh, I would never be able to tell if you did need a hip replacement." He said, "But I think we can fix you up." And we started the program for at least about, I believe, about a good 6 to 7 weeks right before my appointment. And I found it was a breakthrough, and it really worked good for me. I have very minimum pain now, about 75% pain that I used to have. I was on medication. I was popping a lot of painkillers and things like that. And before I came to see Dr. Weiner, now I'm down to one pain pill a day. And it really works good for me. I would tell anybody to try it. It's a wonder work. And Dr. Weiner used to do only knees, but I'm a breakthrough. I asked him to try my hip, and he tried it, and it worked.
Hi, my name is Moreno DeLeo. I've suffered from neuropathy for about maybe 4 years. I heard about Dr. Lee, and I felt that this would be a good thing. I've been to 2 neurosurgeons, a chiropractor, and nothing was working. They had me on some stupid drugs. But I started with Lee, and now it's about 6 weeks, and I've increased 50%. I'm walking a lot better. I'm not hurting my feet, and I'm having a good time doing it. And also I take a nap every time I get a treatment over here, so that's pretty good.
Hi, I'd like you to know how much pain I used to be in before I came to Dr. Weiner. My legs were swollen, ankles and calves, burning in my feet. I couldn't feel anything when I walked. It was horrible, and my balance was terrible. Since I've been coming here for 2 months, I've noticed my ankles and my calves much slender, my feet don't burn anymore, and my balance is much better. Plus, I could feel the floor. And this is what I've been going to, and I'm going to keep up with it and see how it goes.
Hi, been coming to Dr. Lee for about 6 weeks now. Before I started the therapy, I had like numbness in my feet, like squeezing pain at night, especially when I was sleeping. I felt like I was walking on sponges all the time, and now since the therapy, the symptoms have decreased greatly. I don't get the pain at night anymore. I can actually feel the floor when I walk, and I'm excited because it's working. Nothing else worked in the past, so just got to keep up with the treatment and see if I can get 100% back to normal again.
Hi, I just started coming to Dr. Weiner about 6 weeks ago, and I felt terrible. I had no feeling in my leg. My ankle was freezing and felt like glass. I was in pain most of the time to try and walk or move around. And this many weeks later, I feel 100 times better. I have more energy, no pain. I sleep at night. And I'm finally walking.
Hi, my name is Sam. I started with Dr. Weiner about 7 or 8 weeks ago, thanks to my son Mark, who found him on the internet. I was in excruciating pain in my toes. I thought it was diabetes neuropathy, but it turned out to be just wear and tear on my toes. For all the years I've been standing as a machinist on concrete floors. Dr. Weiner diagnosed me, and he started with laser treatment, and after these weeks it has turned out to be that most of my pain is gone. I would say it's between 85 and 90% better, and that's about it. I thank him because I'm now able to work almost full-time, and the orthotics that I've gotten from him have helped me quite a bit too. I highly recommend him. He's a wonderful doctor, and good luck to anybody who tries him.
Hi, I'm a patient of Dr. Weiner's. I had lumbar back surgery over 20 years ago and started to develop a numbness in my toes, which spread into my instep. I had been referred to an orthopedic doctor who did MRIs and many x-rays and then never got back to me. So I had Dr. Weiner's article on my desk, and my husband and I came in for a consultation. And after listening to his review, we decided to follow through with the treatments. After 2 treatments, I was decidedly improved, and now after 6, my problem seems to be resolved. I would highly recommend the infrared treatment for neuropathy.
Okay. Yeah, I've had this trouble with restless leg syndrome. I didn't even know what it was until they advertised it on TV. So I went to the doctor and he gave me pills which worked for about 5-6 days, and they stopped working. So he said double the dosage. They worked for 5 or 6 days and it stopped working. Then I saw Dr. Lee's advertisement and I came to him, and after about a week it's pretty much stopped, which made my wife happy. And I've been going about 5 weeks and it's been much better, and it seems to be healing up.
So I started Dr. Weiner's weight program about 5 weeks ago, and I've dropped about 33 pounds so far since I started the program. Find things pretty easy to follow, and very happy with the program.
Okay, since I started laser treatment on my knees, it has made a tremendous difference. I'm now able to walk on a golf course, which I couldn't do before.
I've been doing laser therapy about 2 months now for my knees, and after the first treatment I noticed a difference. I'm still doing it, and I have almost total relief, about 90%.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'd just like to say that I am so very pleased that I found Dr. Weiner. Am I saying your name? And he's treated my knees with the laser, and after a couple of visits, my knees are 70% better. They were 70%, and now they are 90%. And I'm very happy about that.
Well, he's a good guy. Okay. And secondly, I really mean it came from my feet for the neuropathy. That's been helping me tremendously with the infrared light. And my knees, I was on crutches for about 6 months without exaggeration. And the pain was unbelievable. Now I'm able to walk without crutches. I'm walking well, and looking forward to that, my feet improving more, which they seem to be doing. So I highly recommend the treatment, and he's got a pretty good personality too.